Welcome all health enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we're diving into the world of a warm, comforting, and health-packed beverage, cinnamon tea. This aromatic brew, steeped in both flavor and history, has been a staple in traditional medicine across cultures. In the next few minutes, we'll be unraveling the incredible benefits of drinking cinnamon tea daily. From boosting your immune system to enhancing your brain function, cinnamon tea has it all. Stick around to discover the fantastic journey your body embarks on when you sip cinnamon tea every day. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay in the loop. Let's get started. Firstly, drinking cinnamon tea daily gives your immune system a much-needed boost. Now, you may be wondering how. Well, it's all thanks to the potent properties of cinnamon. This aromatic spice is packed with antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. Imagine these properties as the body's personal team of superheroes, tirelessly working around the clock to protect it. They wage war against harmful invaders such as bacteria, fungi, and viruses that can cause diseases. By regularly sipping on cinnamon tea, you provide your immune system with more reinforcements. The antibacterial properties fight off harmful bacteria, while the antifungal properties keep fungi at bay. The antiviral properties, on the other hand, guard against viruses, helping to prevent illnesses like the common cold or flu. So in essence, a cup of cinnamon tea a day could not just make you feel warm and cozy, but it could also keep the doctor away. Secondly, cinnamon tea is a friend to your heart. This warm, aromatic brew is more than just a comforting beverage, it's a potential lifesaver. You see, cinnamon is known for its ability to reduce bad cholesterol levels. It's like a cleanup crew for your arteries, sweeping away harmful LDL cholesterol that can lead to heart disease. But that's not all. Cinnamon tea also helps control blood pressure. High blood pressure is a silent killer, but with regular consumption of cinnamon tea, you can keep it in check. Let's not forget about blood circulation. Good circulation is crucial to overall health, and guess what? Cinnamon tea is on it. By improving blood flow, it ensures that every part of your body gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs. So, in essence, drinking cinnamon tea is like giving your heart a well-deserved hug. Sip your way to a healthier heart with a daily cup of cinnamon tea. Thirdly, cinnamon tea is a natural remedy for digestive issues. This aromatic spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to soothe an upset stomach, alleviate feelings of nausea, and reduce bloating. When sipped as a warm tea, cinnamon's inherent properties spring into action, promoting better digestion by breaking down fats during the digestive process. But it doesn't stop there. Cinnamon tea can also aid in weight loss. How, you ask? Well, this magical brew boosts your metabolism, aiding the body in processing food more efficiently. This increased metabolic activity can help you shed those stubborn pounds and maintain a healthy weight. What's more, cinnamon tea also helps in managing symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, including cramping, bloating, and gas, by relaxing the muscles in your digestive tract. So, if you find yourself struggling with digestive issues or looking to kickstart your metabolism, remember, a cup of cinnamon tea after meals can indeed be a game changer for your digestive health. Our fourth reason takes us to the world of blood sugar management. Imagine a seesaw. On one end, you have high blood sugar levels that can make you feel lethargic and cause long-term damage to your body, and on the other, you have low blood sugar levels that can leave you feeling shaky and weak. Just like the seesaw needs balance, so does your blood sugar. Enter cinnamon tea. Cinnamon has been shown to have a regulatory effect on blood sugar levels. It does this by slowing down the rate at which the stomach empties after meals, which in turn reduces the rise in blood sugar after eating. This makes it a potentially beneficial option for people with type 2 diabetes or those who struggle with blood sugar management. Moreover, cinnamon has compounds that mimic insulin, helping to transport sugar out of your bloodstream and into your cells, where it can be used for energy. So, maintaining balanced blood sugar levels is as easy as having a daily cup of cinnamon tea. Fifth on our list is the impact of cinnamon tea on our brain health. Now, who wouldn't want to be sharper, more focused, and have a memory as reliable as a steel trap? Well, cinnamon tea could be your ticket to an optimized brain. This fragrant spice is chock full of antioxidants, substances that protect your cells from damage. When it comes to your brain, antioxidants play a crucial role. They help fend off the harmful effects of free radicals, which can lead to oxidative stress, a major player in the development of neurological disorders. But it doesn't stop there. Studies have shown that the compounds in cinnamon can stimulate brain cells, improving cognitive processing, attention, and memory. In the long run, these benefits could potentially reduce the risk of conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. So, if you're looking for a natural way to boost your cognitive function, why not try a steamy cup of cinnamon tea? Boost your brain power with a daily dose of cinnamon tea. Lastly, but certainly not least, cinnamon tea promotes skin health. Picture this. You're sipping a warm, aromatic cup of cinnamon tea, not just for its delightful taste but also for its fantastic skin benefits. Cinnamon is a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory properties which can help reduce inflammation and redness on your skin. It's like sipping on a natural skin remedy. But the goodness of cinnamon doesn't stop there. This wonder spice is also packed with antibacterial properties. These properties can aid in fighting off harmful bacteria that can cause acne and other skin issues. So, if you've been struggling with persistent skin problems, a daily dose of cinnamon tea might just be what you need. Moreover, the antioxidants in cinnamon can protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals, helping to keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. It's not just about external beauty treatments, it's about nourishing your skin from within. And cinnamon tea does just that. Achieve glowing skin from within with a daily cup of cinnamon tea. There you have it, 6 compelling reasons to make cinnamon tea a part of your daily routine. We've delved into how it can boost your immune system, promote heart health, aid in digestion, regulate blood sugar levels, enhance brain function, and promote skin health. Each sip is a step towards better health. So why not steep a cup today? Remember, the path to good health is steeped in a cup of cinnamon tea. Until next time, stay healthy and stay curious.